Students, I wanted to talk real briefly about essays, specifically the second week, the second essay. The prompt has two parts. First, I want you to read the 5 sources. 3 of them are from books written recently within the last 20 years by historians. And then, actually, maybe not 20 last, let's say the last 50 years by historians. And then 2 of them are speeches, one by Abraham Lincoln and one by the man Frederick Douglass. And then what I'm asking you to do is look at those 5 sources. Last Best Hope, People's History, Patriots History of the United States of America, and then People's History of the United States. Use those 3 and the 2 speeches to answer the questions. And I have 4 questions. The first question is, what arguments about the founders and about the Declaration are these authors making? So what's the argument that Abraham Lincoln is making about the founders? What's the argument that Frederick Douglass is making about the founders? What's the argument Howard Zinn is making about the founders? Second, how are these arguments similar to each other? Third, how are they different from each other? And fourth, your opinion. According to you, what is the most accurate, who has the most accurate understanding of who these guys were who wrote the Declaration of Independence? If you have questions about that, please let me know. But I want you to read these, understand them, and then basically summarize their arguments, talk about how they're similar to each other, talk about how they're different from each other, and then pick one and tell me why you think it's the best argument. If you have questions, let me know. Talk to you later.